Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming thickness and marking the cut precisely. This matters because scoring depth must match the glass. Once marked, put on safety glasses and gloves, then place the glass on a padded, level work area so it won't shift. Make sure the cutter wheel is lightly oiled for a clean score. Position the cutter at a 45 degrees angle, apply steady pressure, and push in one continuous motion. Don't stop or retrace, because only one clean score. Once the score is complete, gently tap along it with the back of the cutter to initiate microfractures. This helps the glass separate cleanly. Next, align running pliers with the score and squeeze evenly, or lift the glass and apply even finger pressure to snap it along the line. This controls the break. After the piece separates, make sure to smooth the raw edge with a diamond stone or 120-320 grit sandpaper, working slowly to remove sharpness and prevent chips. You finish by cleaning the cut edge and checking for imperfections. Acetone removes oils so you can see hairline cracks. If there are small jagged bits, use grozing pliers or a carbide nib to trim carefully. Work from the waist side toward the cut. If a crack runs past the score, don't force it. Rescore a shallow line parallel to the original and perform another controlled snap. This measured correction often saves the piece versus discarding it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.